Good afternoon. The time of merienda right now. Kumida, kumir. Maayong hapon sa inyo guys. Mamma mia, spaghetti and coffee. Coffee guys. Coffee and coffee. Coffee and coffee. And spaghetti. Mamma mia, kumain sa tamang oras para malayo sa sakit. Good afternoon. The time of merienda right now. Kumida, kumir. Kain tayo sa tamang oras para malayo sa sakit, para maging malusog ang ating katawan. Mamma mia, spaghetti. Good afternoon. The time of merienda right now. Kain tayo lahat guys. Maayong hapon sa inyo lahat guys. The time of merienda right now. The time of snack night right now. Kumida, kumir. And coffee. Kain tayong lahat guys. Kumain sa tamang oras para malayo sa sakit, para maging malusog ang katawan. Mamma mia, muchas gracias. Thank you very much for watching my video for today. Papalo naman guys, at pa-share naman guys, at pa-comment guys. Bye bye guys. God bless you. Bye bye.